And we continue to highlight some of the challenges the security forces are facing as they seek to maintain law and order during the island-wide curfew. As Anthony Lugg reports, despite repeated warnings, some citizens continue to flout the law.
Curfew Night 2 and what resembled a Catch Me If You Can game between the security forces and residents of Jonestown continued on Thursday night. Help was in the skies while the lawmen patrolled communities in the Kingston Western Police Division. The streets were clear for the most part, but it was also clear that some residents just don't care. Some stood outside their gates, while others sat outside as well. We asked some residents why they continue to breach the curfew.
So we just outside, we are all it together. We want the government for help, we need food, nothing to go on a crisis. Majority of we done here, we sell a ton and we can't sell a ton because of the crisis. Even if we go a ton, $1,000 we are sell. And that can't do nothing. We have our kids and we have people what we have to fend for, so we want food.
So we're currently in the community of Arnett Gardens here in Kingston, where residents are pretty much playing somewhat of a cat and mouse game with members of the security forces. Now, in front of me, we're traveling just behind a group of police and soldiers who are doing everything they can to get the residents off the streets.
On Maxfield Avenue, what appeared to be a traffic stop, this taxi operator was in breach of the curfew order. After several checks, he was warned for prosecution. We caught up with the shift commander, Inspector Veronica Johnston Blythe.
Along the roadway there were quite a few persons. Some of them were essential workers. They were legitimate, going to work or coming from work. And so we allowed them because they were essential workers.
But as the night progressed, this video began circulating on social media.
And the police were come for me, bullet. And you only say, you did ask me for lockdown Jamaica. You want lockdown Jamaica, you can't tell me to come off of the road.
The lawmen swooped down on an address in Kingston. However, checks revealed that the man in the video lives overseas. So with another night of over 90% compliance rate of the curfew order, this appeal from a resident.
I better the Prime Minister try and lock down the day and keep the night open. Because the virus most likely for spread at day because people up and down at daytime. At nighttime people not really go out there. People there them gate or so, but daytime people gonna town, people gonna halfway tree, people gonna work, so the disease more likely for spread during the day.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
In a primetime news follow-up, the man who was seen on social media spewing verbal insults at the Prime Minister and the Jamaica Constabulary Force, swearing to disobey the curfew, has now apologized for his actions. Dale Mitchell accepted that on Monday he made a video disregarding the curfew.
And the meaning. I want to apologize sincerely to the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Walnes, to Jamaica and to the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Mr. Mitchell also used the opportunity to encourage others to take the threat of the COVID-19 seriously.
Friends, them, family, loved ones, all over Jamaica, want to know the truth. This thing is not a joke thing. It's very serious. The coronavirus, COVID-19, is very serious. When I made the video, I was just a joke. And I took it very seriously. I wanted to listen to what the Prime Minister work with the police, them staying on the house because this thing killing off people all over the world. Italy, how much thousands of people dead. We're supposed to know already. I tell you, they must try to keep us safe. I made a joke about it.